Reporting is my favorite function right now because it lets me really change on the fly what I want to see large data sets of, especially coming in on this company only a year ago. Being able to get a history in a snapshot of a particular piece of equipment or where parts are used or how we've ordered them really gives me a lot more background into the history of the company than I could ever get in an afternoon or an hour or a week or a month of sitting with someone that's been there for 20 years. I get the most benefit out of the reporting table because I've created reports that are basically all work in progress reports because I'm dealing with an inherited system, and the flexibility of being able to change a report on the fly because we want to look at something different has been really beneficial and key. What I really like about the app that I've seen so far is it mirrors the desktop version a little bit more. So when our techs do go between sitting down at the end of the day and filling out work orders on desktop, where they're more likely to fill them out a lot quicker and more accurately, they're going to be doing that because it's more familiar too. And then that also adds another level of we're speaking the same language because we're looking at same or similar forms.